Hey guys, welcome to Game Freak. Find the old one out. Let's go. Are you ready? Let's go. Here one hand is missing. Look at the head, something is missing. Look at the crown of elephant, it's missing. Look at the bubble from mouth, it's less than others. Here the hair on cutie head is missing. Here one eyebrow is missing. Can you find it out? Tell us in the comments. Let's go to next. Wow, it looks like beard and some beard is missing in this cartoon. Some hair is missing in this. Here one ear is missing. Tell us in comment, can you find it out? One hand is missing of Mr. Bean. Thanks for watching video of Game Freak. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. Take care, bye bye.